I'll just start off. We'll try to keep it short. I think Bharat is doing a recording. He'll probably
Mm-hmm.
share that with Clannies, and we don't know how many will even watch it, but
Mm-hmm.
that's what we can do. Okay, Pa. So basically, we met yesterday. So what we wanted to do is basically get all Clannies together and kind of let them know the changes that has happened, and if they have any questions on the new war format, and when they should attack, what they should do, because we are kind of honestly as confused as everyone else. And we
Mm-hmm.
leadership also caught up yesterday to try and understand. And Bharat and Bala, we all kind of discussed and gathered some inputs. So we thought it'll be a continuation today with all clannies, and I mean, some of us leaders also not greatly, invested into the game. So I thought even if clannies have any major inputs that they have discovered, uh, you know,
Actually, I watched a lot of videos, but there are no much things about this new thing. And then there was a lot of videos about the old wars, but regarding the
hmm
recent update, even there's nothing on the web as well. I just
correct,
tried watching YouTube videos.
correct.
Still, people are discovering what we have to do.
Yeah, maybe they didn't give the preview like how they normally give for those, the community that they generally
Mm-hmm.
give a teaser alwa.
Yeah,
Maybe they
there's a
release
teaser.
the
There's a
uh,
small teaser. Other than that, generally there are other players who make up the third party players who make up these
correct,
strategy videos. So there's
correct.
nothing out yet.
So what they generally do is they release a early release for those
Mm-hmm.
YouTubers and selected
Right.
community members, and they'll have a
Mm.
hands-on. By the time the
Yeah.
update goes live, they'll come and give an update. But this time, I
Mm-hmm.
don't think that has happened. I don't know why though.
Yeah. But
Uh,
anyway, this is purely, I think, based on how many of people are winning the matches. There's nothing. No, there's no first come first serve like last wars.
huh, 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 huh.
ಯಾರು
Yeah,
ವಿನ್
yeah,
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
yeah. I think that's one thing that we discussed yesterday. I think finishing war first does not matter so much
Doesn't
as
matter at all.
winning it
Yeah, only winning the individual battles matter. That's
matters.
it.
Matters. So I think they try to take the time advantage out of equation by doing this.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So good. Thanks
No,
for
winning
that.
first does matter. Winning first does really matter. You need to finish first to gain that legendary card.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, no.
And
What
Yeah.
we mean
also,
is, uh, finishing the attacks as soon as war starts.
That doesn't
mhm,
make any sense.
That
Yeah.
doesn't make
no,
any difference, right?
but still we need to make sure that we are using all 50. That's always there
Yeah.
still.
Correct,
But on
correct.
the fourth day, it matters.
Yeah, on the fourth day,
Yeah,
or
only
the
if you're.
third
I
day,
don't
or
think. I don't think anyone will reach 50,000 in this setup because it's difficult to reach 50. No, sorry, 10,000 medals. I think we need, right. 10,000
yeah,
Yeah.
points
yeah,
we need to reach. I
correct.
don't think anyone will be reaching 10,000 points in 4 days. So whoever is leading, they'll be winning.
No, they can reach 10,000 points.
Yeah, they can reach only if they win all four of them.
Yeah.
True.
That's the only
At
possibility.
least three,
At
and
least three, and the other one should be
maintain good
second or
defense.
third. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So three out of four wars they have to win, and the other war they have to be at least second or third, not fourth or fifth.
Correct. So I think, Bharat, like yesterday,
Yeah.
at least the benefit of everyone here as well as whoever might come and watch the screen recording, we can probably
Mm-hmm.
even put it on YouTube and give a preview for at least our
Hmm.
clannies will come and watch. So just give an overview of what we discussed yesterday, how this war is different from the previous war, and how these points are calculated, and how that race really is not a race anymore, but about winning, things like
Hmm.
that. The things that we discussed yesterday. Start off, I think whoever can pitch in, meanwhile, can pitch in. We'll make it a discussion also.
Hmm.
It'll be like a reiteration for some of us also.
Okay. Now, everyone can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, there are three stages basically. One is training day, 3 days of training day. After that, 4 days of battle days. Out of the 4 days, we need to be like days highest. It should be around 25,000 and plus daily highest. That makes us in first, second, and third position. Is what my assumption today.
Correct.
See, for
So
example,
just want to add one
yeah,
pointer, just to kind of. So normally we would start wars on Monday, and we would
Mhm.
go full fledged after 3:30 p.m. IST on Monday, and try and
Mhm.
finish as early as possible. I think first day, second day, we were okay to even finish it, or rather, second day we were trying to finish it early, and so that we would hit the 50K points. So the moment we
Mhm.
finish war, whether it's on the second day or the third day, after that, it's basically we're playing for gold and all that. So you can
Mhm.
either play that, it doesn't affect the clan. We've already won. And the fifth war will be for 25,000, and that is the what do you call that, mega war? Some
Mhm.
uh,
final days.
final day Colosseum. Yeah,
Yes.
that Colosseum
Mhm.
used to be there. So that fifth war was 25K finishing line, and anything beyond that is Colosseum war. So this everybody knows. So the change right now is Monday is the beginning of training day.
Mhm.
So for Monday onwards, Monday you have 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, to
Mhm.
basically try out whatever new war modes they have, or try out boat defenses, attacking enemy's boat, and try and explore what defenses are,
Mhm.
how they've set the defenses, maybe some things like that. So you get
Yeah.
3 days to try it out. And on the fourth day onwards is actual the battle day begins.
Mhm.
So 4, 5, 6, 7, basically Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday
Mhm.
are the actual 4 days of war that
Right.
actually counts. So I
Mhm.
think whatever we do until then is only rehearsal, and you basically get gold and everything. But I think what actually counts for the clan is from Thursday onwards. So
Mhm.
how it calculates is what Bharat is trying to show right now. So
Mhm.
is this actual game that you're playing right now, Bharat?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Okay, and the first 3 days, let's now try to, instead of just winning gold, we can try to explore things first 3 days because it's anyway doesn't not
Correct,
going to matter for points, right?
correct, exactly.
So
So
yeah.
I think boat attacks is something that we can
We
explore.
need to do. We need to do that.
We need to do, and there is more strategy right now. I think it's slowly becoming COC like. Earlier
Mhm.
we used to just finish attacks and be done with it. Now we have to decide which boat to attack, and
But
which.
still, I don't think board attacks is necessary because when you attack others' board, if it's still undefeated, they'll just gain points. We are not going to get any points by defeating other boards, right?
We are getting points. We are
We are
getting
Yeah,
getting
points.
medals actually, not
Yes.
board points.
No, both points doesn't matter. The medals matter right now.
No, no, only if we successfully defend all the 10, we are getting somewhere around 400 board points, right?
Yes.
So that will add on to the total. So that's what, and if we just win the boat attacks, we'll get some 100 or some 75 medals, right?
If we win the boat attacks, we get
Hmm.
125 medals.
Right.
And
So,
if we lose a battle,
mhm,
regular
yeah.
1v1 battle, we are
Hmm.
getting 100 medals. Like for
Right.
example, right now I got 100 medals.
Hmm. So,
The
just no, let me just tell you, go to that board screen. Let me just tell, yeah.
Yeah. See,
So,
already
this,
three boats are defeated here.
yeah. So, this out of 450 odd, they're showing 276, right? So,
435
yeah, out of
minus 59
435,
minus 53 minus
yeah.
47.
So
That is
this Iran
276.
team will, yeah. So this Iran team will be getting 276 at the end of the day, right?
Yes.
Extra 276.
Yes.
So this is basically we have to gain medals to be on the first place, but being on the first place gives us this war points, right? So we are not earning any war points directly by attacking. Only by defending our boat, we are earning the boat points, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But again, here, if we attack, see, I am gonna attack.
So basically, we need to stop other clans from earning extra boat
Yes.
points. Yeah.
If we attack their boat and destroy their
Yeah.
boat, they
Mm-hmm.
will be they'll be
They'll be
repairing
short
their
on
boat,
points.
No, not just
which
repairing
will
their boats, they'll not be getting all the 435 as well. So that's one more advantage.
yes, true.
Hmm.
Also,
And
they'll
based
be
on
in
the deck,
repairing mode
yeah.
so
Hmm.
that we'll
Yeah.
have time to race past.
But I don't think so. Time matters right now nowadays because it's not about time as of now. So even if they get their time to repair, they'll repair the boat and they'll come back and attack as because the time doesn't matter now, right?
Yes, but time also matters sometimes.
So
So
are
it
we
depends
gaining
on players'
only?
availability there. Okay, so let us say we destroy their boat. What is the
Mhm.
cool-off period? Is it 12 hours or 24 hours?
24 hours.
So that means they are gone for the rest for the whole day. They are gone.
No, I think
Yes.
they need to repair their board. That concept is gone, is it?
Yeah, so their attacks will go in that.
No, no. Okay, okay. So they need
Yeah,
no when how soon they get their boats back, so that
yeah.
it matters. Not there's no
So
fixed time like that.
We are
absolutely,
not
but
sure
by
about it
doing that,
because
Uh-huh.
they're going to put the opponent in a pickle. So now their
Uh-huh.
concentration will change. So wherein, so
Yeah.
let me just share the screenshot in the group. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you look at us. We got 600 points yesterday because
Mm-hmm.
we were fourth team. If we
Mm-hmm.
would have reduced, probably this Karma is real clan. If we
Mm.
could have probably destroyed their
boat.
probably their
Both.
defense boards,
Uh-huh.
we would have got that I mean, they would have got 475 less. So that means
Yeah.
we could have been that third clan.
Right, right.
True.
Mm-hmm.
So probably we should put half our resources on boards, half the resources on the
And
normal
also we
attacks.
need to concentrate upon what decks we are using for board, because normal one-to-one
Yeah,
decks will not matter for the board. Only like mass kind of Inferno Dragon, those skeleton graveyard, those kinds of decks we need for that. And freeze
absolutely,
will definitely help.
So do we have like 1 minute? Somebody was saying there is one
absolutely.
minute to
Yeah, only
destroy
So
1 minute.
the.
And if
1 minute after the tower is destroyed.
so,
Uh,
basically, first you have only
after the
1 minute
tower is
to destroy
engaged.
one.
First, we have 2 minutes.
Okay.
No, no, first we
In
have only
that two
one
minutes,
minute.
we have to destroy the tower.
Yeah.
After destroying the tower, we have 1 minute extra. That's it.
So in the first 1 minute, if you don't destroy one tower, the match will end at that time.
2 minutes. In the first 2 minutes, if you don't destroy the tower, the
Uh-huh.
match will end.
Okay.
Now
So
I
we are
destroy
2
the
plus 1
tower.
we are getting.
I'm just
Yeah.
getting 1 minute. That's it.
So 2 plus 1, right?
Yes, 2 plus 1.
Okay, right.
So you get 1 extra minute to destroy all towers if you want to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically King Tower.
Mm-hmm.
No,
If you
not there's no king tower in this.
Okay,
no
it's
king and
basically
queen.
all
All
three
three are
towers.
All the
equal.
3 towers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So basically you have to destroy all three if you have to destroy them.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So out of 3, you first in that first 2 minutes, just in case, only if you destroy any one of the tower, you'll get extra 1 minute time.
Oh, okay, okay. If you destroy the
Mm-hmm.
second one,
No, there's no
Extra 1
destroying
minute.
second one. Like
okay.
again, we are
Extra 1
getting
minute.
1 minute, huh? 2
Yes.
plus 1 plus 1.
Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
right.
But I don't think anyone is destroyed more than one tower
Yeah, right. It's
in
really
one match.
difficult in the second, and because more troops keep
The
spawning after
the
that.
troops keep coming on.
Yeah.
Just try to understand. Does defense level matters? Because I've seen different points for different players.
Yes, the
Mm-hmm.
card levels matter.
Mhm. So we
So what
should go with the
happens if they?
highest defense levels, probably,
Yeah.
to in case the opponents attack the our defense, it will be difficult for them to reduce our points.
See now, for example, our boat I'm showing you 8646 is the tower defense here.
Yeah.
Here 7887 week we are getting 8646 7887. That's our lowest probably. Yes.
And
and you
see,
also get
so that
lesser
depends
points
on.
by attacking the lower ones, right?
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
right.
The same points we are getting.
You mean medals?
Yes, same medals. Yes.
But
But
what is that
th-
that steering wheel on the right side?
that
This
those
one,
many
right?
points, the opponents will be
If
losing if you
yeah,
attack
opponents will be
Yes.
losing from their total, from their
435 total.
435.
Okay. To cause higher impact to them, we have to attack the top guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's by default the top guy only.
So you need to
Uh,
go
You can't
from
attack
top
the
to
lower
bottom.
guy.
I
Oh,
want
you
to
have to
add
go
one
from top
point
down.
there.
Yeah.
See,
Yes,
you
sir.
can't destroy all the 3 towers in one attack.
Yeah.
That's for
Never.
sure.
Yes,
Because
never.
whenever you attack the towers, the elixir in the towers will get like filled, and then
Mm-hmm.
the defenses will
Troops keep spawning.
start
Yeah.
coming out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, and our tower is very vulnerable.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah.
very
Very
small,
Very
like
less
vulnerable.
700
points.
something. Yeah. So you
Mm-hmm.
can't take more than one tower. That is what I am
Mm-hmm.
guessing. 2
Right,
towers
that's
is the
right.
max to max, best to best. That is
Mm-hmm.
the 2 is also impossible, I think.
I think
Yeah.
so. Yes.
Yeah, only one tower we can take from one attack.
Mhm.
So what
So
happens
if
if
we
you lose
take
at
three attacks,
663?
sorry,
Mhm.
What happens if we lose, let's say, their troops come closer to us and we miss on defending our tower? So do we
Yeah,
lose
So your attacks
yes,
are
we lose
wasted
the
fifty-nine?
game. We
against
lose
someone
the
else
game.
has
whatever
to attack.
We lose
whatever
the
the
game.
progress. Yeah.
No. Question is, do we lose the game or do we also lose that 59 points?
No, that's not. They'll be losing 59 only if that their tower is
Okay.
destroyed.
So it
If
doesn't
we
matter
fail,
if we
there's
lose.
no. If we lose, there's no
Okay.
problem at all.
Okay. Then I
But
think
you'll
this
be
giant
missing out
skeleton
on
is a good
little bit
option.
But
medals.
the attack
That's it.
will get over. That's all. Yeah.
Okay.
Someone
Makes
else
sense.
have to destroy the boat
See, it'll
again.
show. Yeah.
Okay.
But the amount of damage that you have done will remain.
No.
Yeah.
That damage increases again. To
So it
some
will become
extent, the damage increases.
Yeah, to some extent, but so to some extent it will still be gone.
Yes.
Yeah. For example, this middle tower, little bit, 10% of HP is reduced, right? So that will remain, I guess.
Yes, that will
Yeah,
remain.
some part
Yes.
of it.
Probably
So we
carrying a
need to
defense should
invest.
help.
Yeah, carrying a defense should help, and clones, rage, and those kinds of things will help a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, rage
I'm
and
hopeful
clone. Yeah.
to this tower go. To go
Mhm.
to this tower also.
And if we, if we engage everything with our tanks, and if we send out Inferno Dragon, it will also be very helpful.
Man,
Yeah, if
shit,
it
man.
engages, yeah. I think
I think the attack is over. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's
Shit.
lost. Yeah.
now basically whoever
Like one
attacks will
tower
have to
we
get
got.
only that 874, right?
No, 2161.
Why?
It increases basically. 2161 is the minimum health of the tower.
Oh, anytime somebody attacks, even if you got it to 1 HP, you'll
Yes,
still have to
it
go and
will
get
be
two.
2161 only.
Okay.
Oh. I thought we'll
So-
use some of our lower dummy accounts to get those. But still, we can use lower accounts to get that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
True.
But only one tower we can get at the time, I think.
Yeah, that's okay.
No,
No,
but wait. I think only, if top guys attack these boats, it will be advantageous because, say, if I'm level 8 and level 8 or 9, and if I'm trying to participate in war, definitely I'll be matched with level 8 or 9 guys.
Mm-hmm.
But if being a level 8 guy, if I attack someone's boat, definitely level 13 troops will come out. So it's better level 13 or people with max troops attack the boat because they'll have a advantage there.
Okay. But is that happening? Is the balancing okay for lower level guys?
let me just check. I'm attacking from my third account.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How many attacking accounts do you have?
As much as the
Probably
number of
this
girlfriends he has.
practice day, the coming week practice, we should invest more time on this.
True.
So
Very
basically, what level the account is, Bharat?
8 or 10. 10,
8.
10.
Okay. So let's see what.
Oh,
Freeze will work a lot nicely with this, with this boat.
Yes,
Oh.
true.
I think some tank followed by Inferno Dragon will be.
Yeah, we can see anyway because we are not using Inferno Dragons or Graveyard or Freeze most of the time in the main decks. We can put those kinds of things in these
The
boat
tower
attack
is
deck.
gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
So
What
level
I
13
wanted to.
troops have
Yeah.
come. Yeah. So level 13 troops have come out of the tower. See.
Yes.
So attacking being at level 10 will not be so efficient. So I think if the top guys use this boat decks, it will be advantageous, I think.
But
Yes,
I
Rohit,
wanted to
you're
say
right. You're right.
the
You're partially right there, Rohit.
Hmm.
So first attack on the tower should always be done by max guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Probably the second or third attack when the tower is half down,
Uh-huh.
I think the lower guys can
Yeah.
take it.
Right.
Because
Only
if the level
yes,
13 guy
right.
goes, there is a possibility, even if it is 10% chance, there is a possibility that I will be able to take out one tower for sure. Probably
Right.
half or full of the second tower. So
Right. So
the lower order guys can take out the remaining.
last hour, right?
Yeah.
See, I'm not able to defend this. For sure, I'm not able to defend this.
yeah. But what I
So
feel
what
is
Bala tells is that actually makes sense. If one tower is gone, we have only two towers to deal with.
Yeah.
So can 2 towers be dealt with a lower level guy?
I think only the last tower will be,
Only the
a bit,
last
bit,
tower,
No,
maybe.
bro.
yeah.
Yeah. Cleaning
Yeah,
up job, basically.
Hmm.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 towers even from the best. That is what I am
Yeah,
telling.
yeah.
So
Okay.
it's
No,
better
first-
to waste lower guys on the defense on the boat attacks.
Okay. Whose cat
Meenakshi,
is that?
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Who is banking
what
that
happens
pussy?
here is
APs.
Who's
ನಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲ Steward is banging.
No.
Shall I try
They are
attacking level 13?
ಬಬ್ಲು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ.
yeah, I was telling ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು
banging.
yes. The thing is here, what will happen is the first 3 towers, the first attack should always be done by a higher level guy.
Right.
That is the only way we can put out 1 tower because he will be dealing with 3 towers.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult for him for the lower level guy to deal with the 3 towers.
Okay. I got
The
it.
first attack should always be done by higher level guy.
Yeah, first attack always a higher level guy.
Yes.
But also, what we are also asking is, if 2 towers are left, can a lower guy take it? I think.
Yeah,
One tower
It
he
will be
can take
difficult,
it.
I guess.
Yeah.
1 tower he can take it.
Depends on how much
Two will
is
still
left
be
out,
difficult.
Cappy.
2 you
So-
can't take. Yeah. Like,
You
No,
can't
I'm
take
telling-
2.
1
No,
tower
no.
each they can take.
What Cappy
From
is
each
asking is
attack.
if two towers are left out, so when can a lower level
Yeah.
guy take one of the towers is asking.
Yes, he
Yes,
can. He can.
yes,
I
they
feel
can.
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So we should at any time be spinning only 2 attacks on a base.
So at
3 attacks ಬೇಕು, bro.
anytime you go near a tower, will all 3 towers engage?
No,
Yes, of course.
2 towers.
When you're in the range.
Range.
Yeah.
2 towers will engage.
Because the
towers.
third tower will never be in the range of the rightmost or the leftmost tower.
So basically, there won't be spawning troops also.
No.
Hmm.
Spawning
how-
troops will be done only if you are
When you
attacking
attack.
the tower.
So when the elixir leaks, troops will come out.
You can
Yes.
check out the attack once again. The elixir comes out only when you attack the tower.
But try to attack from a level 13 account.
Level 13 ನಂದು
see,
ಇಲ್ಲ
yeah.
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇರು. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
If not, I'll do it. You share the screen when I attack.
Yeah, you
one
just
minute.
spectate when other attacks.
But let's always fine tune the deck, guys, for these boat attacks.
Yep.
We'll use these witches and no mass damage kind of troops.
Yeah.
And
We need
freeze
to have a
really
lot of
helps.
practice. Pause.
See, ಅಲ್ಲೇದು ಹಾಕಿದಾನೆ ಹಾಗೆ
What
ಇವಾಗ.
the hell?
How
And,
will I defend Hog and Valkyrie?
Which?
You can't actually. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ದು ಟವರ್ ಇರೋದು 549. One hit from
So one-
hog it
yeah.
goes.
Yo.
Yeah, that's all. That is what I'm telling. So
Out.
the high. Yeah.
So we have to go all guns blazing in the first attempt only.
Everything we have to
Yeah.
give it in the first attack. Like,
You need to
one
push everything and destroy one
Basically,
tower.
one
That's
shot
what you have
up.
to do.
One shot.
ಬಾಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್
try.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
I'll try. With my regular deck, which has been very helpful. Let us see what it does.
Yeah, try the right tower, not the left tower.
Right. Okay. So which clan is it? Karma is real. Huh?
Karma is real, yes.
You're Undertaker.
Yeah.
Okay. So should I choose a deck or it automatically picks the first one?
No, you need to choose
No,
the
you
deck.
should choose a deck.
Oh, super. Okay. Bless me, guys.
I
Dirgash
think
Mandava.
Harry's presenting. Huh? Who is presenting?
No.
Bharat.
I am presenting.
He's spectating Bala's.
You said right tower. You said right tower, right?
ಹೌದು, right tower, ಹೌದು.
Right of me or right of the tower?
Right of your.
Okay.
ಏನ್ question Harry?
Can I start ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲಣ್ಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ, ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. You guys have to tell me what's left out.
3000 HP ಇದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೂ 3000 ಇದೆಯಾ?
2000 HP ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
1000
ಬಲೂನ್ ಬಂತು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Balloon I can take care.
That's all, bro. No, you can't take care.
100% sure you can't take care of
100%
it.
sure it is gone.
ಬಾಲ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ accepted ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು? How did I just tell you guys? ನಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರು. ಇದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ
57
ನನಗೆ.
seconds ಇದೆ. 57
ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ?
55
ಅದು
54.
ಮೀಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಾಲ್
ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಅಟೆಂಡ್
ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಟ್ದು.
45 seconds.
You bloody hell go. I think it's
ಹೋಯ್ತು. Yes.
ಇದೇನ್ ಗುರು ಇದು? ಅಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಹೌದು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರು,
ಈಗ.
ಇವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಫುಲ್ಲು.
ಇರಪ್ಪ.
Take the left over full.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ?
ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Only when you attack it will come. Yeah. See.
So every time it will pause, is it? Until you touch the tower.
ಎಸ್.
ಅದು ಎಲಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಎರ್ಸ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ.
ಹೌದು.
ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Oh, 2 towers.
ನೈಸ್.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಗುರು.
Defend.
So now I have this level.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ 3 ಹೊಡೆದು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅವನು ವಿಜಯ್
ಆಗಲ್ಲ 3 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 3 ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು.
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಗರಿದ್ರೆ MK ಸತ್ತೋಗೋದು.
ಹೌದು.
ಓ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ
So
ಇವಾಗ.
guys, can you hear me?
ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So let me just take out that small HP tower.
ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್.
Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Rohit will attack that. Bharat selected ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
Yes.
Okay, I can choose this. Which one is that deck? Let me just have a look on what deck it is. Wait just a second.
Who is attacking number 2 tower? Number 2? Okay,
Yeah, this is
Carmine.
the deck.
Carmine. Who is that?
Karma is real. That clan is attacking second boat.
Okay, it is not.
ಈಗ ಮೇನ್ ಟವರ್ how much was it destroyed?
8646.
So it will continue from there. So whatever was left out will continue from there.
Yes.
So
Until
it's good to
2161 it will continue from the same.
So it's good
Below
to cycle
2161 it will
the
reset to 2161.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್.
ಹೌದು.
He'll surely take it. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಷ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ರೋಹಿತ್. ಸಲ ಕೊಡಿಬೇಕನ್ನ.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. 3 ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಏನ್ 3 ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
How did you know?
Crazy freeze ಅದು.
Shit.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮುಗೀತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ.
ಯಾ.
ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಶಾಟ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಫ್ರೀಸ್
ಕಷ್ಟ. ಫ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೂಪರ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
274 man.
ನೈಸ್.
Okay, someone go and put a fireball.
ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 2161 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟ್
2161 ಬಂತು.
ಬಂತಾ? How do you see that? Can you just go and check?
1 minute.
No, if you check on the top, you can see the 27161, right?
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
2161 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ ನೈಸ್.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆತರ ಪುಷ್, ಒನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪುಷ್ ಓವರ್.
The problem was though, what is that?
Build slowly. Whoever is attacking, build slowly. Build slowly from both the sides. Build slowly.
ಎಲಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ.
Actually starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ
you are pushing initially, that's all.
No, the
Mirror
first
and
idea is
elixir collector.
starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ tank king tower ಇಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Do bandit from left, do bandit from right, sorry.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ,
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಕವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾನ್.
See, first cycle ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಟವರ್ ಇಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
I don't think you'll have so much time.
Anyway, we'll have only one push, right?
ಸಾಕು.
So yeah, ಈ ಪೆಕ್ಕ ಗೋಲಮ್ ಅಂತದನ್ನ ಟವರ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಧಾನ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅದು.
See, he's got defeated now. Now I'm gonna change my deck.
ಎಲಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಕ್ಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
I think
ಮಿರರ್
we all
elixir
can
collector
do.
ಹಾಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
You should have a good blend of air and ground, guys. That's what it is.
ಹೌದು.
Yeah.
Where is my
And we
Inferno
can
dragon?
do this one duel ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಬೋಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we can
Maybe
do
if I
that kind of
won
rules.
two, if I won two, I'll use the remaining for boat attack. Instead of losing there, I'll rather go here and do a boat attack.
And anyone knows how many medals we get by winning duel?
900.
250.
Sorry, 500.
500, right? And by losing it,
250 per attack.
600,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah,
600, I
if
think.
you win a deal, it is 750.
uh-huh.
If you lose it, it is 325 or something.
Okay, what about single battle?
Single battle, 200 and 100.
So it's better we do one duel and one boat attack with our decks.
Bro, duel is 600, I think. If you win.
600 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಪ್ಪ.
But anyway, it's better, no? One duel ಮತ್ತೆ
ಎರಡು
ಒಂದು
ಒಂದೇ
boat
ಸರಿ
attack
win ಆದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
250.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Just go and check.
See,
But see, Lord, what are your chances of winning duel?
250, 250, 250.
Winning
750.
duel is harder. At least for me, it's harder.
Not
we do.
750, bro. If you win two, it is
No.
done, right?
500.
If you win
Yeah,
duel,
fine,
it is
yes.
250.
So
Yeah.
250 per attack, you can tell. That's all.
Yes,
Yeah.
250 per attack.
Not 250 per attack. 250 for a win. So if
Yeah,
you lose,
250,
yeah, if
It
you
is
lose,
125 per attack.
yeah, if you lose one, you'll get 350 overall.
No, if you win two, it is 500.
Hmm.
No.
If you win two,
Yep.
lose one,
Hmm.
it is
Oh, yeah,
625.
yeah,
Six.
correct.
Yeah.
Hmm.
If you
So
lose
always
both,
it's
it is 250.
so it's better than one single attack, right? Single
Yes.
attack mode. So we'll do one duel and one boat attack by default, everyone.
We can do.
Yeah, so we can keep a dedicated deck for boat attacks now.
But
Yes.
how many medals can we get from boat
It's
attack?
not
Boat
just
attack,
about the
125
medals. We
medals.
can no, it's not just about the medals. We also reducing
Bring them down.
boat
Yeah.
points from the opponent's team.
So when do we decide which boat to attack, guys? At what point?
Probably
do we...
wait half the day and then start. See how many
So we
attacks
need
they have
to-
done, what days, where they stand, and
So
all.
if we are attacking boat, I think we should do it in the morning.
No. We need to see who is the boat above us, so we can attack them after some point.
Yep.
ಅದೇ ಅದು
Yeah.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
The clock was early.
Yeah, nice. So if it starts at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, then by the time we get to actually see who's on top, we might need half a day.
Yeah.
So whoever is doing boat
Okay.
attacks will have to do it the next day morning, and maybe it becomes difficult to get Clanis to attack the next day morning and making sure that they finish by 3 p.m.
Mhm.
There's no double elixir in this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, continuously it is 1x.
Hit the mega.
No, after destroying one
Right,
tower,
okay.
I think it is double elixir.
Yeah,
Rage
after
ಆಗ್ತದೆ
destroying
fight.
one tower, it is double elixir.
It is double elixir.
Oh, mega net. ಅದು opponents
Wait,
group,
don't
how
lock,
does
don't
they-
lock, don't lock, don't
No,
lock.
I'm not.
Wait,
with
don't
what
lock.
logic does
Log
their
now.
troops-
Wait.
ಈಗ ಲಾಗ್ದು ಸಖತ್
Okay,
ರೇಂಜ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ವರ್ಷ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಳು.
No, what is the logic of opponent's troop spawning?
To defend.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Push
ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ.
Bharat. 10
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ
seconds Bharat.
ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್
Random
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Random.
ಇಲ್ಲ random ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು random ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. There's nothing random in that.
ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವೋ ಅದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ.
Oh.
So the order of you setting your defense is also important.
True. That I have
So
told you earlier, no?
That is, yeah. Me and Bablu, we did that.
Yeah,
actually.
I and Flash fully discussed about this.
Oh.
So
See,
mega
I
net
put-
ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೇಂಜ್
Giant
ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ
skeleton.
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
See, I have put Giant Skeleton first,
Okay.
Witch second, Night Witch third, Bomber fourth.
Mhm.
I'm gonna test it now.
On the same defense.
No, even where it spawns ಅನ್ನೋದು by default ಅದು.
ಹೌದು.
Mhm.
ಹಾಗೂ
But tanks
ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಆ
will-
ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Bidding if you have put, it is always that side.
So this
Middle
stars
tower
and
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
all
bidding
those things
ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ
will-
middle ಅಲ್ಲಿ spawn ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
When you say that
ಅಲ್ಲ,
side,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
you mean the non-attacking side?
Yes.
I'm asking like ಟವರ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು how does it decide?
ಅದು ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, so
Depends on the
witches and
card.
all those things will spawn towards the back side.
ವಿಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
tanks ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Tanks ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ
ಹಾ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any attacking troop is backside.
Uh-huh.
Any
And
support troop,
how
what
far
I
back and
call
forth?
attacking, is backside.
How far?
Not in the range of log.
ಈಗ ಅದು ವಿಚ್
You can
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
see it now.
ಟವರ್
Yeah,
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
yeah.
ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಫ್
ಇವಾಗ
ಆಗಿ
ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟವರ್ ಇಂದ.
ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೆಲೆಟನ್ ಬಂತು ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಇವಾಗ
Oh.
ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ವಿಚ್
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ವಿಚ್
ನೋಡಿ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅದು
ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂತು.
So that witches are not vulnerable once they
Yeah.
spawn.
Oh,
That's
I
nice.
think it's gone.
And I'm actually pretty disappointed that a lot of clannies are missing out on this information. ಈ depth ಅಲ್ಲಿ nobody will discuss. Even if they watch YouTube videos, it is very difficult to get.
ನೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಹೊಸವ್ರು ಇದರಿಂದ ವಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. We'll just put a draft and we'll send it. That's it.
Correct. Yeah.
But they should watch it actually.
Yeah, they should actually. See, to get this level of understanding, they should have been
Bro,
here.
try finishing the right tower.
Yes, bro. Yes. I'm going on.
Let the
Right
witches
tower,
do anything. Right tower. Let the witches do anything they want.
Bro, ಹೆಂಗೆ
go with,
bro? ಅದನ್ನ
go with
defend
bats.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ-
No, wait.
defend
Go with
ಮಾಡಿ
bats first. Wait. Go with bats first. Behind ಇದು Inferno Dragon. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ no. You did the other way around. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ
No, you had to
first
defend.
bats in the Inferno Dragon. Right left side ಗೆ could have used Mega Knight.
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್.
I know, but that's what the risk you have to take, right? It's only 1 minute that you got to hit the tower.
20 seconds is there.
So
So
if you would
raise
have,
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ.
at least you could have got half the tower there.
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಟವರ್ ಬಂತು.
Manto. Wow. Okay.
Come on,
It's up to
Inferno
Inferno
Dragon.
That ಎಲಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೆ ಸೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ
ಎಲೆಕ್ಸರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಈ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್.
ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
Yeah, because in the first few moments, if you get in, I don't think Elixir Crack will get in the first deck, right?
Yeah, we get. I think we get.
So ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎನಿವೇ ಅಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
So we can initially invest on
Build-
Elixir Collector.
build up,
Yeah.
yeah.
Or is this random? Maybe you get Elixir Corrector in the beginning?
No, we don't.
Okay.
It was fixed actually. That was a bug. It
Yeah.
was fixed.
No, I think there's in the description also they have mentioned if we don't get Elixir Collector in the first deck.
Yes. In the first 4 cards we don't get it.
So there is a risk that you might engage the tower.
Yeah, that's why. So ಈ ತರ ಲಾಗು ಅಥವಾ ರೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು.
ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ even if we spawn bats simply it will go and go and die, so nothing will spawn.
ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
Oh, it gives this thing automatically, is it? Elixir Collector.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
Deck ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay, I'm done.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನ ಬೇಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ.
Sometimes this firecracker is a pain, man.
ಹೌದು.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ
Especially that backtrack ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು that is super ಇದು. ನಾನು
To
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು
play also
ಲಾಗ್
to face
ಎಲ್ಲ
also.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ.
ಆಡೋದ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ using the firecracker will also be pain sometimes.
ಥಿಂಕ್ ಭರತ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
No, I'm here.
ಹೌದಾ?
ನಾನು ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay. Home Minister call.
I was receiving a call.
Okay. Cool. This is good. So, guys, question. How, I mean, let's say attacking board versus attacking the duels or this thing. Is it on par or is it better? Or is it only a strategic thing it also helps, but it pulls the enemy down? So,
No, by attacking the boat, you also get some amount of medals.
but that some amount is not equivalent to what we
Yeah.
might get in the
yes
duel.
yes
Okay.
But
So,
Cappy, it will.
it's only like a
defeating-
strategy actually.
it's a strategy.
No. It will reduce the total, the actual amounts of the medals is not the actual amount of points which will be adding up now. The board points is the actual thing that counts now, right? So if we attack the opponent's board,
ಎಲ್ಲ
the
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ
board points will-
ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾ. Rohit,
Hmm.
they both are directly proportional. See,
ಹೌದಪ್ಪ ಬಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು
ಬಟ್
ಗೆಟ್
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ
we know the
ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್
numbers. No, see, we have to reach
I
at
have
the end of
already
the day.
calculated through the numbers, right?
You have to reach the top. That's all. You have to be the number one team or number two team, and then try to pull down whoever is below you or whoever is above you.
See, around
Simple calculation.
28,000-29,000 ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Yeah.
second third ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
So this calculation, Bharat, when nobody is trying to do boat attack,
ಓಕೆ
right? So if
No,
we start to put,
I did my boat attacks.
no,
All
you
the three accounts I did boat attacks.
What I'm trying to tell is none of the other clans are also doing it. So
Yes.
let's say we start this theory, right, where we start to pull down the team above us. So that means our score will be less, but also we'll be in higher position end of the day.
Yeah.
Or,
And also-
or
Because the other teams, yeah.
no, I mean, if there is a possibility that we can drive this, right? I mean, it's very difficult, but to get people, everybody to attack in the morning and then decide on which boat to attack and then finish all of that, will that give us any
Yeah.
advantage?
Definitely, we can use all the
Absolutely.
duels first. We can use all the duels in the first part of the day.
Huh.
Then save our last attack or last two attacks for the boat attack.
And we won't have anybody attacking our boat if we are not moving forward.
True.
Right.
So
Yeah.
we can do that surprise attack kind of a thing from
Yeah.
morning.
So again, if we delay our attacks, it's better in that case.
In that case, yeah. But then
Hmm.
some people will not even respond. I don't know if they'll
Like,
attack
for
or not.
But
example,
Gabby,
Other- others
what
let-
Rohit is saying
see,
is
Huh.
that
Let others
that
attack.
can be
Actually,
manageable.
Illa Bala. We'll do one
No,
thing.
no,
Let
one
let
second,
other
one
people
second.
attack.
So-
If you are responsible and you think you will definitely attack, we'll those people let them save the
Attack
attacks
boats.
for the last time.
No, we'll let them finish their attacks. Okay, let them do whatever they want. We'll keep 10 accounts with whom we are 100% sure.
Hmm.
Yeah.
We
So we'll
need
keep those 10
12
accounts.
to 13 accounts.
Yeah, we'll do that. So
Yeah.
the remaining 35, let them do whatever they want. Probably we'll ask them to do one duel and whatever is remaining with their normal attacks. That's the single player attacks. So we'll keep these 15 attacks, out of which at least 7 or 8 should be level 13 players. And the remaining whatever amount that we have. We can try this out. Instead of asking everybody to hold their attacks, we'll take out the trustable 15.
And also, let me tell you guys one thing. So, it doesn't matter if we win the boat attack. Only if the opponent loses the boat attack, they'll be losing out on total points, right? So, we will just try to attack duels and single attacks, and we'll try to gain medals. Let the others fight and let the others damage each other's boats. We'll not engage in boat battles at all. Anyway, even if we don't attack the boats, others will attack the boats, right? So it will
Nobody
always
has
be
still
there.
gone there, Rohit. That's what we want to explore.
Hmm.
Nobody has gone to the stage where they've tried attacking boats to see if they
Yeah.
can pull down the other clan down. So this is our chance to see if that can be possible. The whole point of this Supercell bringing this boats into picture is they want clanies to fight, pull
Yeah.
down each other's boats and all that, which wasn't possible in the previous versions of war.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬೋಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Fire
ಅದರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಕೀಪ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾರ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ನೋ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
No.
No, what Rohit, let me understand if let me see if I understand. You're saying basically last ಅಲ್ಲಿ surprise attack ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ let them do whatever they want to. They'll be pulling each other down and wasted their attacks, or they would have finished everything. Then we can look.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್
Correct.
And by attacking boats, we are not gaining anything. By attacking boats and successfully attacking the boats, we are bringing the opponents down.
Correct.
So even if we don't attack, others will bring the opponents down by default, right?
No,
How will
they
they
will
bring down by
bring
default?
only their opponent down, not everyone.
But basically,
They
everyone
are
is each other's
immediate.
opponent, so it doesn't matter, alva.
ಅಲ್ಲ their immediate opponent ನ pull ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. So like the fifth guy will try to pull down fourth, so he becomes fourth.
Right.
So for us also to decide that becomes difficult. At what point do you, so if someone's like sneakingly and waiting for like us, like how we decided, our last moment attack ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we would have been attacking the wrong guy all the time. I mean the whole time.
True.
So
So
yeah,
as of now, we can only decide upon. We have to wait and see, explore some things,
yeah,
and
we just
Yes,
have to
as of
wait
now,
and see.
currently we are exploring things.
and the
That's the
other
only
thing is
option
we
we
need
have.
to focus on winning rather than just finishing the attacks. That's all. That's the change that they have made now.
Correct. But how will we tell that to Clanis? Because everybody thinks they're playing to win all the time. So,
Yeah, they have to fine tune their decks actually.
Fine
so
tuning decks is very much pain in the ass.
Yeah.
and I don't think even we can, weigh in to do that. Only the person who's playing long enough in that deck, only he knows the pain points of that deck.
Yeah.
We can try to ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು ಡೆಕ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಟ್ when they're playing is when they'll realize what is what ಅಂತ.
And still, there are a few people in the clan who are actually noobs. So we need to recruit more like strategic players than that. Because I've seen
ಅದೇ
people attacking like noobs, like new people, and I'm now I don't know their names as well.
ಆ ತರ
But
ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ವೆನೆವರ್
yeah,
ಯು ಸಿ ಸಮನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪುಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್
no, because we need to have this Clash of Clans kind of strategy now, because it's not like first come first serve anyway like now. So
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ಯಾರು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
ಟು
ವಿ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು
ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ನೌ.
ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ?
Bharat.
ಸೂಪರ್. ಒಂದು 3-4 ಫೈರ್ ಬಾಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಗುರು, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4-5 ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಗುರು, ಸಗದಾಗಿತ್ತು. So yeah, I think ivaga ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಪ್ಪ? What is the first thing logically that we can do? I know that we can have, but this is actually a fantastic call, appa. I mean, I
Yeah,
myself
man.
learned so much,
Mm.
and I think, and it's how we all can come together. We all know each little bits, and we can put it together and make it so much better and organized.
Absolutely.
I think we can keep having these calls at least once in 2 weeks or something like that. Spend 1 hour anyway. We spend so much time playing, and
Yeah.
why
Yeah.
not? Why not become a better clan, better player by discussing like this? So
Yeah.
I think we'll
I
have one
think
more. What say, guys? I mean, in 2 weeks, once maybe spare an hour. I don't think
mm.
it's around this time post lunch.
I think we can have this on weekends. Like
Weekends
next
are
Yeah,
weekend also
weekends
we
and
can do.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we
Mm.
can expect more people. And
correct.
also
Back to back.
now
Huh?
we
Next
have one
weekend
more group,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿದೆ
right?
actually.
Actually, we have one more group for deck builders, right? So
Correct.
ಅದನ್ನ active ಆಗಿ we can start using and letting other people know feedback regarding their decks, whose decks are failing.
Oh,
Correct.
Dexter and
We
Freeze,
can
man.
give them feedback.
Alva?
Mm.
Super.
So, Gabby, just to sum up, Gabby, so we'll be trying out, sorry, two things. First thing is, as Rohit said, we have 3 days, right? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Hmm.
So, day one, we'll forget boats. Okay.
Mm.
We will completely forget boats. All of us will do one dual attack.
Another thing, one thing.
1 second, Bharat, I'll finish.
No. Let me just interrupt here. Boats are not available in 1, 2, and 3 day.
Okay. So, can't we just practice as well?
No.
Oh, okay. I think
Okay.
it's like ನಮ್ಮ
No,
COC
but
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
you can
traps ಎಲ್ಲ
practice
reveal
anytime you
ಮಾಡೋದು
want, no?
ಅರ್ಥ.
Huh?
But you can practice on your own boats, right?
Yes, our own boats we can practice.
But
Anytime you want to.
decks are not going
Yes.
to we get wasted if you attack on your own boat. It's just testing.
Yeah,
It's just a
That's,
practice. pack.
yeah. Then I'll come back to my strategy. So first
So we
day
can,
we'll only
yeah.
focus on one duel
Mm.
and one single battle. We'll see
Okay.
where we stand, all of us.
Mhm.
At least if we do 50 or 60% of the attacks on day one, we'll see where we stand on day one. If that's going to second day, we'll go with a regular strategy. Whoever is good with their single player attack, let them do it. So let's see, compare where we stand on both the days with the same number of attacks. If this is going to be better for us, probably giving us better yield, we'll go with that. And one attack for boats. We can try that on day one of the battle. So on the
No,
fourth day,
Bala,
that's
if you
day one
attack
of the battle.
if you attack boat, your deck is not going to get exhausted. You can do as many as attacks you want, I guess,
No, on the battle day, I mean to say.
on the battle day. So you
So
can
on the
practice
battle
how
day-
many ever you want, right? On practice days. On
Yeah,
the,
yeah. Practice day you can do how many ever you want. So on day one of the battle, we'll try with the first strategy that we came up with. First attack we'll do for duel. If we have two remaining, we'll use both for boat attacks. We'll hold those attacks. We'll hold till probably half the day is over, 12 hours is over, and then
Mhm.
probably try to attack the boat of our immediate opponent.
Yeah.
What say, guys?
Yeah, right. And also, like whoever is in the bottom part of the war, right? So we'll ask them to share their decks in the deck builders, and someone might assist them creating the decks as well.
Absolutely. We can actually put in a few decks for defense and boats, and
Mhm.
probably few decks for attacks on the boats as well. We can actually
Mhm.
share.
Bala, sorry, you said dicks instead of decks.
No, I said decks.
You did decks.
No,
You did.
You did.
you have power here.
We can put in few dicks for low.
Actually, we can
And Bala has people around him
put in the
also.
strongest ones,
The
strongest and
strongest
the
one.
hardest ones.
Oh, God.
We
Yeah, so we need
already
to
have
start
a list
recruiting
for
African people also.
defense group, right?
Sorry, Sam.
Sorry,
Yeah,
So
we
we need to
already have a
start
list for the
recruiting
defense,
African
right?
people.
Okay,
Rohit, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Sam, you speak now.
Yeah, we already have a list for the defense, what defense to put,
Yes,
and who.
yes,
Mhm.
Yeah, so probably we
Awesome.
should follow that
Yeah, I
yes.
think
instead
Yeah.
of
yeah,
individually
Bharat is
telling
doing that.
everyone
I
to
think
do that.
Bharat is individually checking people who have put wrong
Yeah,
defenses and is
I
leaving.
already messaged in the group.
Yeah. I think that's good. I think we can actively do this. Bala, sorry, Panindo, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು summary ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Just can you reiterate just at a very top level? I missed a couple of your points.
So what I was saying is, on day one of practice,
Okay.
that's Monday, we'll just stick to dual battles. Okay, one
Okay.
dual battle. Whatever is remaining, we'll stick to the single player battle. That's on the day
Okay.
one. But
Okay.
also, we'll pick out probably 10 players
Hmm.
who we are going to use them for port attacks. We'll ask them to practice with all the defenses that we've got. We'll try out a strategy. How many attacks do we need, and all that. We'll try out.
Yeah.
So we'll have enough practice for us to actually go into boat attacks on first day of battle day. So second of practice, we can try to just do single player attacks and compare where we stand on day one of practice and day two of practice. So let's say doing duel gives us more benefit. We'll stick to duel on day one of the battle day.
Okay.
Mhm.
So if individual attacks gives us more, we'll stick to that on day one of the battle day. So whichever works out, we'll try on day one. Day two, again, whichever the strategy that we had, option number two, we'll try that as well. So let us use this war as a trial and error. Let's do R&D in this war. Even if we lose, that's okay.
Mm.
Let's try out. And
And
on
wait,
whoever
Bala,
is,
and I still feel
yeah,
level 13 guys are best fit to attack the
Boats.
boats. Yeah,
absolutely. Those are
Very
the
true.
15 we're going to select. So when I
yeah,
say not all the 15, probably at least
Mm.
7.
yeah.
First attacks, so we will need to take down 7 people, right? The top 7
Right.
will reduce majority of the port points from the opponent. So we'll at least have 7 to 8 level 13 guys who can at least take one or two the defense buildings in the boat. So we'll pick such guys.
But Bala, even the bottom level boats will have level 13 because it will be only the top 10 guys,
No,
right?
that's
So
okay. That's okay because see, you're removing majority of the board points. First one
Yeah.
yields 59, second one yields 40 something and all that. So even if
Yeah.
you take down 7, they're going to lose quite a lot.
Right.
So we
So
can try
there's
that.
no, you're telling there's no point touching the last few boats, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Give 1 or 2, 3, 4 and all. So there's no
Yeah.
need. There's no need
Right.
in wasting our attacks on that.
Mm-hmm.
So if that
But
can make
only
a
if you,
difference,
but only if you defeat those, no, the small points things. Only then you can defeat their boat, right?
yeah, when you, oh yeah, you have to make them stop, right? Okay.
Yeah. If you can
So
make
yeah,
them
it
stop
makes
without
sense.
doing
Yeah.
that.
So we need to. We will try and do it. We'll try and take
Mhm.
down a clan. We'll try and destroy the boat.
Yeah.
One probably on day 2 or day 1. We'll see how it goes.
Mhm.
Does it work out? We'll stick back to our normal attacks. Just finish our attacks. Try to win as much as possible.
Okay, so we'll identify basically mostly elders and leaders. It'll be or people
Absolutely.
who are
Yeah.
basically very responsive on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So we'll try and make a list of those people and see we can get them to hold their attacks. But for most of the clannies, do we tell them to attack as usual, or do we tell them to
I think
focus
it
on
should
one
be as
thing?
usual.
No, Monday we'll ask them to do duels. On a Monday, also on a first day of the battle, we'll ask them
Bala,
to do
one thing
duels.
is, everyone is not comfortable with duel.
I know a comfortable position is there, yes, but we need to try out. We need to see what gives us more points.
Agree, yes.
Yeah. Even I'm not comfortable with duel. It takes 8 minutes. We'll sit on mobile and play 3 battles for 8 minutes.
True.
But if it's going to give me better points, then I will give it a go.
Yes.
And you can't have any interruptions and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, let's come back to the point. But why are we in such a low stage now? ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ನಮ್ದು ಅಂತ.
Basically, ಒಂದು ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು. So
Okay.
the opponents are
Others are doing good.
Others are doing good, and the opponents are
Right.
stronger. And we discussed yesterday the top clan has 49 people who are above 5,000 trophies.
Hey, ಯಾರು ಗುರು ಅದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Who the hell is that man?
And
Chaitresh.
we have like
Who is
27.
that?
Some new guy.
Kick him out, I say. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೆಡಿ ಡ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಿನಿಯನ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ಯಾರು
Chaitresh.
ಏ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನರ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ, he's deploying but his 6 elixirs are thing there. ಮಿನಿಯನ್ ನೋಡಿ.
So satisfying to see that ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಈ ತರ
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂದ.
you'll see so much.
Right in front of it is doing that.
I have level 13. That's the only level 13 troop I have. Minion horde ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Chaitresh anyway is not here.
ಹೌದಾ?
No, he's there in the
Rocky is
WhatsApp.
better man.
Chaitresh is
better,
there,
I tell you.
in group.
ರಾಕಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ.
Rocky is trained by Bala.
ಹಾ ಅದೇ.
So now based on the league, so after few weeks we'll come back to, we'll be in the league where we deserve, like that. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ range ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are on the higher league comparatively, you are telling, right?
Correct.
So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ we'll have a fair battle in a few weeks, like.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ basically this has actually been a problem, Rohit. ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು we always easily go to ಇದು ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
it's like CWL.
Yeah,
it's like CWL. You go to legendary league, you get matched with 14 TH14 and you got 3 or 4.
That's what I was about to say.
So I think what if, I mean, how much points cups will we lose if we lose this war?
5th ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Over
But still
335 pa. So anything above, how much is legendary league? 3,000 plus.
3,000.
Yes, 3,000 plus.
But I still feel with the kind of lineup we have, because we don't have only level 13. We have all the kinds of level 8, level 9 people as well, right?
Correct.
So I don't think Legends is our place as of now.
Correct. Adhe.
So once we come back to below like 2,500 to 3,000 that range, then we can. No, it will be a fair battle, I feel.
Correct. But also, last war we were 3,000 plus only, no, Bharat?
Sorry?
Where we
have 3,000 plus is a long time, Arvind.
Yeah,
but
since
is
this
it like
Grand
the
Master
highest?
started.
But is this like the highest we've reached?
I don't know. Let me just check.
But rightly as Bala said, it's the CWL scenario now. Only 13 level 14 ಟೌನ್ ಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಅವರು ಟಾಪ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆತರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Correct.
So with level 10, level 11, all mix kind of players, we can't stay in legend league forever now.
Cool.
But then we'll have to lose a few wars.
So by default we are losing a few wars now.
No, actually, we are doing better based on what you guys are saying. I mean, we've been in Legend for some time, ante. But earlier, the moment we entered Legend, we used to get as beaten and we would come back. But now we have sustained here for some time, then it's actually a good thing.
No, because of
the matchmaking.
Because of the different strategy,
also.
yeah.
Okay. And because of,
time kind of thing.
So when they say by matchmaking, what do they mean?
Basically, like Rohit and all used to get when he was like level 8, level 9, he used to get level 12, level 13.
Level 11, level 12 BS used to get, yeah.
Sorry,
That was
Navneet,
based,
Ideally,
based on
I got a
trophies.
call.
ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು
Can you guys
ಮೂವತ್ತು
repeat? So what do they mean by matchmaking?
I think Rohit will explain.
ಎರಡು
Yeah, so when I was
ನಲವತ್ತು
level 8, I was getting level 11, level 12 players. So it was based on number of trophies I have. So that was a issue. Now if you are on the in the higher trophy level, and if you are level 9, level 10, or level 11 players, it will be a hard time for you. If you are in the top league in your trophies.
That is not matchmaking. They're just, whoever is in that 3,300 rank, they're gonna put the same guys. What if that clan is that, 50 TH, I mean, not TH, obviously,
No,
tower
I'm
13.
telling about. Yeah, that's what's the problem. I mean, it's up to know what kind of trophy level you individually you are on. So that matters for war matchmaking.
Then what we can do is, see, just before Monday starts, we can have a clan to move 20 people there, put all the second accounts in. As soon as the
No,
war
no,
is
no,
started, we put them back.
no. That matchmaking is completely based on that legend league. That is not based on players in the clan.
Only for the player, okay.
Yeah, only for the
Okay,
player
okay.
battle matchmaking. I'm telling.
Okay. Oh,
But
that
the
makes
clan
sense.
is matched purely based on what league you're present at. Same like
True.
CWL.
At the same trophies also.
Then
Yeah.
it's
Triple
fair,
35.
no? Then it's not like CWL. CWL is crap in COC.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ
Hmm.
ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೌನ್
See,
ಹಾಲ್ 10
Legend
11 12
League is
13 ಎಲ್ಲ
different.
ಇದ್ರು
See, that Legend League is different. I'm talking about CWL Legend League. There,
Yeah,
even if
CWL
you
Legend League.
have, even if
Yeah.
you have 15 TH 11s, but if
Hmm.
your clan is in Legend League, you
Yeah.
will be matched up with 14 TH 14.
14,
It
right?
is same
The same
match
Yeah.
in
no, same
CWL.
thing
Yeah.
happens here also.
No, you're saying that individual battles are matched with, if I'm level 12, it gets matched with
No,
someone
no,
of
but
similar
see,
strength as mine, right? For the battle.
no, yeah, that's not from out of the people who are in our clan league. It's completely random people who are no out based on your trophy level.
Correct. That's what matters, no? See, what I'm saying is, let's say I go and attack a
Yeah,
duel.
that is right.
I
Yeah,
get
so
matched with someone of my
but
similar
what I
strength.
was telling is, if you are, if so, I'm level 11 now, and I'll be on 5,400, 5,500 kind of trophy level.
Yeah.
So I always get level 12, level 13 players in Clan War.
Then don't go.
Okay, let me ask you this: Does somebody level 8 attacking will have as much chance to get the same amount of points as a level 13 attacking?
Yes.
Before it was different. Now it's same.
I was looking. Some guys have 900 points. Is it because of, or maybe it's because of duel and
Duel
stuff?
and
Yeah.
regular match.
Oh, okay, okay.
ಮುಂಚೆ
Because I had
ಮುಂಚೆ
One,
watched
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು
all four
one
ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ?
duel
attacks.
with 2 wins
Uh-huh.
and 2 other battles in both the win. 500 plus 200 plus 200. That is 900.
ಅದು ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Okay, okay. Because
But before even your levels of cards mattered for points.
Yes.
Now it's not like that.
Okay. So
ಮುಂಚೆ
Iga,
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
the next point that I think the point that Rohit was also trying to make is, see, of course, player versus player, Bala ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, if you are like 8 or 9, you will probably get 9 or 10 or something like that, mostly, is what I'm thinking right now. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. I mean, I was handling junior accounts. I don't
No,
know
it
when
is changed now. It is changed now.
changed. Okay, that is fine. Now, if we are attacking their boat, then it's an advantage for them. If they all have, it's a higher league, then they'll keep spawning level 13 troops even if they're in the lowest idalwa.
Yeah, right.
So
The
low
10th boat also will spawn level 13 troops only.
correct. So that is an advantage. That is an imbalance when we are doing boat attacks.
Yeah, so we'll also have only level 13 players doing boat attacks, because it doesn't matter in the duel, even if it's a level 13 player or level 10 player, they'll get the same amount of points, right?
Correct.
So
But
we'll make top. Yeah.
my thing is, I don't have confidence on our lower guys to go and win as many games to get us the points
Okay, in the duel.
in the duel and the one-on-one.
Okay.
So far we've been getting so far because only our top guys have been doing well. And we haven't actually honestly focused on the lower guys. We just want them to participate, and at least we'll get those consolation points, and we go and win and do. So Iga, if
Yeah.
we will be, putting them in a bigger this thing, I don't know if they can handle that. I mean, of course, we won't let them know, but I don't know if they can deliver.
ಹ್ಮ್. For that we need to do only one thing, Cappy. See, ಈ COC ಹೇಗೆ 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, like that we need to see how many war points they are scoring. If they are consistently scoring less clan points, we need to try and help them in the deck builders, trying to share their deck and fix the decks. Even if they are not performing, we need to kick no other option. So our strategy we have to start using as that.
Correct. I think ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. I think we all have to kind of ತರ work. I think ನಮ್ಮ workload ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We have to do a lot more things than what we were doing.
Yeah.
So I think that is.
But I still think strategy will change after a few weeks, because I still think we are in a higher league, right? And as of now.
Correct.
So ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೀಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಮತ್ತೆ we have to change the strategy again.
That is also there. But as long as we are engaged and we are having these discussions, we'll pick up those whatever updates come, and then we can. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually ಇದೊಂಥರ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು. I think war is this 2.0 or whatever. What is this new war?
This is 3.0.
3.0. It's a surprise for everyone, so it's okay. But next ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ if we are as and when changes come, we can refine it ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I think anyway the best thing is we'll keep this forum active. I think takeaways in Andhra the lower guys will let them be as they are. We'll identify people who respond and put them in some group. Make them and whenever there's a call for those guys to go on attack, we can get them to go on attack, right, based on the war situation.
So that surprise will keep it.
That will keep. Mikdorge will just let them know to finish their attacks as normal. We'll try and see if they can prioritize. We can't push them to do duels all the time. We'll see if it would benefit the clan if you do duels anta helbodu. So you can give the choice to them. We'll see how many are actually doing duels, because a lot of people are actually hesitant. Whenever I open the war page, I see most people attacking the one-on-one. I mean the non-duel only.
Yeah.
So single attacks. So I think only few people actually do duels. Or actually maybe they are confident, or I don't know, or maybe the confidence andre basically they should feel like they should at least have 3 good decks.
Yeah.
Only those guys actually do duel. So if people are not very,
because see, even decks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to have air troops ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇನ್ 2 decks ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏರ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಆ ತರ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when we keep a dedicated deck for boat attacks, we can use the other because ನನ್ನ deck ಅಲ್ಲಿ freeze ಇಲ್ಲ, giant skeleton ಇಲ್ಲ, inferno dragon ಇಲ್ಲ.
okay.
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ I can use it in the boat attack deck. In the other 3 decks I can put all the good troops. ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Okay. You won't run out of troops anta you were saying.
Yeah.
Correct. That is also a good strategy. But if we don't have to attack boat, then we have to go and reset and then get
that. But we can always change it, right?
But in this situation, I think more or less boat attacks ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. At least
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's what as of now we have to do boat attacks now to just ಇವಾಗ for example 4th ಅಥವಾ 5th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least the saved attacks you will I think at that time we have to calculate and see how much winning will get us and how much pulling them down will get us ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
Yeah, calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡಬಹುದು. If you are on the top, there is no need to attack first.
No need to and if you are in the top, maybe you can attack the second guys also to get that distance down. So to pull them down also we can do ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
So ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಭರತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರೆ.
They are here.
So okay, actually the points will remain the same. It's only that the additional tiers of plus 3000 plus 1800 that will minimize by attacking them.
But 435 extra we are going to get if your boat is not attacked.
Correct.
That 435 keeps reducing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ clan medals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, boat points, that will matter.
Okay. So they've actually made it very confusing. They should use some simple terminologies.
See, if you are in the bottom, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ medals ಇದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ it doesn't make a sense if you're in the bottom, or if you're in the top, it doesn't matter how many more medals than the previous person you have.
Mm-hmm.
So again, based on the medals, you are given a little bit points, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, but if you attack the boards, it will matter directly to those points. So ಅದೊಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್.
Correct. So what are these points called? These are defense points, huh? They are called?
No, that is a fine. That boat kind of thing is there. No, 10,000. You have to get it. So that's the fine. Every day, based on your medals, you are given some points, right?
Correct.
So boat points. Those points gets add up, and that's the final result that matters actually.
Okay. So what?
So
Basically,
yeah,
depending on your position, you get plus 3,000, plus 1,800.
plus 3,000. Yeah. So by doing boat attacks, that 3,000 directly that points get matters.
Oh, 3,000 plus ಇದಾ?
3,000 plus 435 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That directly gets affected if you attack their boats.
Okay. So basically, they are the same points, just that you will get additional 3,000 if you end up in the top spot.
Yeah.
Okay, but we have to be on top as well as try to increase the gap.
Right.
It is a double-edged sword. Okay, to do that, I think people are. Aruna says he wins duels 95% of the time. That's great, man.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you should continue doing duels.
I win most of the time.
Duels, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, maybe I have to do some vastu or something like.
No, it's only the deck cap you need to, because when you are level 13, right? It's all the decks that matter. You have to build good decks. That's it.
Correct. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಹೌದು, ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿ. So no levels and all those things doesn't matter when you get to level 13. You have to get best decks.
Basically like level 9 ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ when you go there.
Yeah, so it's basically like tournament.
Tournament standards.
Yeah, ಆ ತರ strategy ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we have to know ಆ ತರ this like proven decks ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ I think you have almost all level 13 troops right now.
Most of them, I think.
So you just copy those proven tournament decks ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, best decks ನ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I don't have all cards maxed. Only the 4 decks that I have.
Okay.
I think 4 is what? 8, 16, 32 cards, right? In 32,
Right.
I have maxed like 25, 26. I know. Not all cards are maxed.
But anyway, you are level 13 and your opponent, he'll be having the best decks with all the 13.
Correct.
That's what the issue.
That's where I lose out. So I don't have 3 fully maxed decks that I can use for duel. That's the problem. Plus, even if they're maxed, I mean, I would have randomly maxed it alone on card and they all have to sync together and work together. So that also is a thing. Anyway, I'll try to refresh that.
And now they're giving a lot of cards, but they're not giving golds now.
Gold ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Gold ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಜ cards, but legendary they're giving it like
those
legendary cards. Yeah.
Somewhere they'll pull it back. Either they'll introduce new cards or something they'll do. Because they'll end up. I think people are slowly dropping. I think cool. I think it's been a great meeting. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭರತ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಭರತ್ ಇದಾರಾ? Okay, cool. ಇನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಭರತ್?
ಭರತ್ I think he is not active. He is gone. Wife ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, let's see. We'll try and share. I think we'll keep having next week also. Flash left now.
Flash just now 5 minutes, 2 minutes back he left.
Okay. Sorry, it was great, guys. I think at least we know have some direction on what to do. Rohit, ನೀನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ help ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. We'll pull you in, help out as much as possible.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'll not be as active during the time you will be active. That's the issue.
ಅದೇ ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ will be active. ಅದೇ problem.
Not that kind of.
ಅಂತವನೇ
ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Super, pa. Whenever you're online, just try and see Nino. I think if you even go back and watch attacks, or if you see somebody attacking, hangge group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ping ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ if someone's fucking up or something. ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು PM ಮಾಡೋ, ಅಥವಾ you can ping that guy only and tell him, give him some inputs as and when you see it. But ನೋಡೋಣ, at least this is good that we all have few things to add. And ಮತ್ತೆ next week meet ಆಗೋಣ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ. I think we'll try and make it a weekly thing until the updates keep coming. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ fortnightly ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. Okay.
One fixed strategy we should have. So till then, we'll keep on
Correct.
having this discussion.
Correct. Same time works for everyone. 3:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunday will work anytime.
Sunday will work. Sam.
Yes, works. Today I
Okay.
was
Okay.
cooking. I totally forgot.
Yeah. No worries, bro. I mean, I was also like just quickly grabbed my lunch, finished, and came up. So I'll do that. Cool, guys. Thank you so much for your time. We'll meet
Okay.
again next week. We'll
Cheers.
see you
We'll
soon.
meet again probably next
Sure,
Sunday.
boys.
Sorry, Sam.
Probably another call next Sunday.
Yeah, another call for next Monday, same time.
All right.
Yeah, we'll schedule it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye bye.